Welcome. This video demonstrates the end-to-end dispatch of commodity from a state agency to railhead, validating procurement, rail movement creation, loading, release, and reporting in Anna Darpan. Log in as divisional office staff and navigate to agency list. Search for the required agency and click on the view icon under the actions column. On the agency details page, note the registration number displayed. This registration number will be used as the username for the state agency login, with the default configured password. Ensure the registration number is visible and recorded. Log in as state agency user using the registration number. Navigate to state agency, dispatch request, select the commodity, crop year, season type, specification, and bag type. Enter the declared quantity in quintals and click submit. In the confirmation pop-up, click submit again to finalize. Verify that a commodity receipt number is generated successfully. Log in as divisional office staff and go to agency, dispatch request list. In the pending distribution info section, search for the generated commodity receipt number. Click on the view icon under actions to review the dispatch details. Confirm that the system redirects to the view dispatch details page. Return to the dispatch request list and search for the same record. Click on the plus icon under the actions column, check the box for movement dispatch, select the quality member, set the date of quality inspection, and submit. Log in as quality member and navigate to Mandi, agency receipt, quality check at state agency. Select the commodity receipt number, enter the quality details marking the commodity as accepted, enter the accepted quantity, and submit. Log in as regional office staff or divisional office staff and navigate to movement by rail, add movement. Enter the reference number received from railways, provide a movement name, enter the number of wagons, and select type as by railhead. Choose the source rail station and source depot, select the commodity and variety, enter the scheduled loading date, and submit. Confirm that the system generates the rake movement number successfully. Log in as GM region or divisional manager and navigate to movement by rail, approve movement. Search for the newly created movement and click on the approve icon. Review the details in the pop-up window and click approve. Confirm the approval success message. Log in as manager depot and navigate to movement by rail, indent registration. Choose the rake movement number, enter the registration date, reference number, and other required details, and submit. Confirm the success message for indent registration. Log in as railhead in charge or manager and go to movement by rail, rake placement. Select movement type as outward, choose the rake movement number, enter the placement time and required details, and submit. Verify that rake placement is updated successfully. Navigate to movement by rail, wagon number assignment. Select the rake movement number, assign wagon number, wagon type, and wagon capacity, and submit. Confirm that wagon allocation is successful. Log in as manager depot and go to movement by rail, loading at railhead from agency. Select the rake movement number, wagon number, and commodity receipt number. Enter the net weight in quintals and number of bags, then submit and confirm in the pop-up. Ensure the success message confirms loading completion. Repeat this process for all wagons. Log in as manager depot, Go to Movement by Rail, Wagon Verification. Select the rake movement number, update the moisture content for the wagons, and click on Submit button. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Loading or Unloading Acknowledgement. Select movement type as outward, choose the rake movement number, acknowledge pop-up if applicable, and submit. Confirm successful acknowledgement. Log in as Manager Depot and navigate to Movement by Rail, Movement List. Filter by date range and search for the rake movement number. Click on Edit under Actions. Select Do you want to update destination details? Select Destination Railhead. Select consignee and number of wagons, and submit. Confirm the movement update success message. Navigate to Movement by Rail, update RR number, select the rake movement number, enter the RR number, and submit. Confirm that the RR number is updated successfully. Go to Movement by Rail, Rake Release, select movement type as outward, choose the rake movement number, enter the release time, and submit. Verify the rake release success message. Log in as Railhead in Charge Depot or Manager Depot and navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Placement. Select the movement type as inward, choose the appropriate rake movement number, enter the placement time and required details, and click Submit. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Wagon Verification, select the rake movement number, update moisture content details for the respective wagons, and click Submit. Confirm that the wagon verification process is completed successfully. Log in as Manager Depot and navigate to Movement by Rail, Wagon Unloading from Railhead. Select the rake movement number, enter the truck number, choose the transport contractor, select the wagon number, enter the number of bags being unloaded from that wagon, and submit. Confirm that the system generates a token number successfully. Log in as Weighbridge in Charge and go to Movement by Rail, in Weight. Select the generated token number, assign the stacks and corresponding bags, capture the gross weight of the loaded truck, and submit. Log in as Shed in Charge and navigate to Movement by Rail, Stacking. Select the token number, choose the appropriate stack from the stack plan, and submit to complete stacking. Log in as Weighbridge in Charge and navigate to Movement by Rail, Outweight. Select the token number, capture the empty weight of the truck after unloading, and submit. Ensure the pop-up confirms successful empty weight recording. Log in as Gate in Charge and go to Movement by Rail, Gate Pass Exit. Select the token number and submit to complete the Gate Pass Exit process. Log in as Manager Depot and navigate to Movement by Rail, Token List. Select the required token number and click on the View icon under the Action column. Click on Update Register, confirm the pop-up message to proceed, and submit on the Update Register page. Verify that the update register process is completed successfully. Log in as ICCS team member or Manager Depot and navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Loading or Unloading Acknowledgement. Select movement type as inward, choose the rake movement number, acknowledge the pop-up if applicable, and submit. Log in as Manager Depot and navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Release. Select movement type as inward, choose the rake movement number, enter the release time, and submit. Navigate to Reports, Daily Reports, DSR Daily Statement of Receipts. Select the From and To dates, Commodity, Variety, Crop Year, and Shed, then click View Reports. Verify that the report reflects correct inward receipt data for the depot. Navigate to Sheds and Stacks, select the appropriate shed and stack, and review the stack details and stack activity. Confirm that stack balances and inward transactions reflect the received commodity accurately. This completes the dispatch of commodity from state agency to railhead movement. The system validates procurement, rail operations, stock deduction, reporting accuracy, and end-to-end movement traceability within Anna Darpan. Thank you.